Hello, everybody, and welcome to part 30 of the Arduboy dev stream. And today we will finish the AI behavior for the skeleton. Last stream I was a bit tired at the end of the stream. Could not clearly think about how to finalize it. So, but actually we were not very far. Um, and yeah, I continue working on the code that we already um, did during the last stream, and I just fix some stuff. So let me show you. Okay, I think it's this one. Okay, so you may have seen some of the code modification because they are the same as what we have done last stream, but I didn't commit because it was not finalized. So yeah, we have created a couple of new functions like the init weight and either collisional gap, and we had a update, specific update for the skeleton that we call both in the weight and the walk state. So on the CPP, what we have is actually this check. So that's what I've changed. Well, the test here is inside the function now. But because I'm using just a map sprite definition here, I don't use any pixels, so I can just do this test directly in the update. So I do directly change, move all that code into the update. So I put it here in that function. Then we have our specific update function for the skeleton. So it's basically this function comes from what we had in the walk before. So just checking this, but I changed some stuff, of course. So we are still checking if we need to do a half turn if we are going in the opposite direction where the player is. And here, this is what this is the problem we had during our last stream about the switching of the state. So I can go to weight or I can go to walk. It depends if there's a collision or if I am just under the player. So basically, I also removed that function because if you remember, that function was called, I created that function because I call it both in weight and walk. But now we directly call the same function, which is update skeleton behavior in the weight and also in the walk. And this part here, the walk is to do a half turn, is basically comes from here. This is this half turn. So like I said, now this logic of doing a half turn for the mummy, we can just directly do it inside the walk state. And actually it's a little bit more optimized because this will be done only every change of every time we move and not every frame. So obviously if it's a skeleton, we will call the complex function. Otherwise, if it's just a normal AI like a mummy, we will just do a half turn if there is a collision or gap. Yep, that's pretty all. So we have our init weight here, and actually maybe the weight is not called at two different places. Maybe now it's called at just one places. But anyway, um, yeah, that's all the change. So we were very close to having something working when I left the stream, when I stopped the stream last time. And I can show you how it works. So obviously now I can just walk. He's following me, and you can see that the mummy is still walking normally and making half turn when it find a collision. And if the skeleton also has collision, just stop here, and I can make him exit the wait state also. So this is the behavior I was looking for. I'm not sure it's perfectly tuned for the level design. We will see when we will create a puzzle with this. We will see how it turns out, if it's playable, if it's nice or not. But we may adjust. I think the basic behavior is here. So all right. So after that we have what I've done. Oh yeah, fix and some optimization. Optimization first. I just decided to to pass parameters for the gap here instead of asking again the skeleton. That's just a little bit more optimized because here in the update skeleton behavior, obviously I don't want to check the gap, and here this is the normal update walk. I want to check the gap because I'm not a skeleton. Okay, so it's a little optimization. And here the bug fix I've done is I've moved this all the update. I move it into the check lethal. So I move it from the draw. Before it was into the draw enemies here, and now I move it into check lethal. So why I'm doing that is because here I draw the enemy in black first here, and then I will draw it in white here. And I need to draw the same frame. Obviously, if you don't draw the same frame, you can create bugs, right? So you want to draw it in black and then to redraw the same exact pixel in white. But the update function may change the animation frame. Maybe just move to the next frame, or may even move 1 pixels. So obviously I need to do that first to update the frame, update the position, and then I can do the draw in black, and then I will redraw the sprite in white with the same sprite at the same position. All right, so yeah, that's it. And then last thing I've done is integrated the scorpion sprite, which looks like that. So that's our little scorpion. And so okay, I've just adjust the sensor, forget it. Did the readme. So yeah, added the scorpion here. And one thing I've done is I put the fall after the wait, because the scorpion will have also the wait and animation. So the start and wait, but it will not have the fall. And oh, I should also move the half turn. Because I think I didn't create an animation, half turn animation for the scorpion, but maybe I should. Yeah, maybe I can add one frame for the half turn. All right. Otherwise, I can also move the after and after. So that we can keep the same ID, which make the code smaller, of course. All right, so let's try to integrate that Scorpion. That's the goal. So obviously, we have a little issue here because right now I'm using the special flag to differentiate between a skeleton and a mummy. But now if we have a third type, which is the Scorpion, then I cannot use the same flag. So I guess we should reuse one of a specific, create a specific flag for that. And then maybe there's enough space in that, in all this data. So frame ID, we have spray data. So frame ID, we have 9, if I well remember. Okay, 9. So cannot be on 3. It must be on 4-bit. Frame count, we have something that could be big as 16. Okay. State, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one only need 3-bit. And full anim speed index, which has let me see in the physics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, also need 4-bit. So we only have 1 bit remaining if we want to use it for the enemy state. That's a possibility. What about let's check in the item also. What do we have? If we can use something else. So lethal bullet and mirror alive. Mirror, we need it. Special and alive, we need all of them. All right, so what about, yeah, so the enemy is directly an item. Okay, so yeah, I think we can try to use that bit. And then we can create a function to tell me the state. So I think the most different AI is the skeleton, and the Scorpion and the mummy are very similar. So basically the difference between the two is that the Scorpion will also not fall, and the Scorpion will just wait. So the Scorpion will be faster, and the Scorpion will just wait after doing a half turn or before. So it's really similar to the mummy. So anim state. Or we can place it here, for example. Char is skeleton. All right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We still have some room for some state if we need, but I think we don't need more state. So, and okay, we need to update the constructor. We cannot change the flag here, but we can add a boolean flag. Is skeleton. All right, so let's go to enemy, and here we should set the value is skeleton call this. All right, so then I also want to, for the clarity of the code, maybe I should write a function is scorpion. Maybe, probably. Let's write it here. Is scorpion. So we'll check the special flag. And we will have to change all the code. So come on, cannot find, yeah, for example here. All right. Okay, so now let's search all this in the code and replace it. So all right, yeah. So the is skeleton may be high priority, I guess. Is skeleton, otherwise is scorpion. So that will be the scorpion width. So is skeleton, or is scorpion, sprite width, maybe sprite width, okay. Get height. So is scorpion so the scorpion is only 8 pixel. scorpion sprite height, and the rest are 16. So, but basically this one should I think is it used? Ah yes, is on screen. Okay. So actually, if I want to give the real size, it should be 12, and this one should be 6, I think. Yeah, 6 pixel height. The Scorpion is 6 pixel height. All right. Then this one we should also modify it. Y plus 6. So let me check the special init for so this one is skeleton. By the way, why we have that? I forgot. Yes, we just, yeah, because for just in case the enemies like mummy or scorpion falling, we don't change their animation idea. All right. So obviously this one is skeleton. We may have to, yeah, reread the code, all the code, of course. I'm just checking the special for now. Alt turn. So is skeleton. This one is skeleton. And the draw is skeleton. All right, so yeah, then we can do the rest of the code. So for example, the draw of the scorpion, else if is scorpion. Yips. So this one is the scorpion. Scorpion, and is okay, his skeleton, else is scorpion, X scorpion, okay, otherwise draw the mummy. Okay, so let's read again the code. Okay, the constructor seems okay. The step, nothing special here. Draw in black. We use the get width. Okay, the for this state death. clear the property. Okay. Draw enemy in white. Invert, update depth. Okay. Check static collision. So this one we have changed it also. Fall. I think this doesn't change. Fall. Set property. Okay, so that's the response. So under fit is scorpion xy plus 6y plus 14. Okay, get width. We have changed it. Skeleton, scorpion. Get height 6 or 12 is scorpion. Move according to orientation. That doesn't change. Collision or gap. Okay, is property set mirror. Okay, get width. Either collision. Should check the gap. So the scorpion will check the gap also. The scorpion will not jump. So we have the get width. That's why I wrote the get width and get height a few streams ago, because I plan to do that. So that helped to integrate a new enemy with different sprite size. So that's for the skeleton. So normally nothing happened here. The fall, we have done that. The weight, the walk, the half turn, nothing special. The walk. Okay, so here obviously we need a new animation speed for the walk. So is scorpion scorpion walk anim speed. I will declare it. And I think I will just do 1. 3 times faster. Should be nice. Alright, so if this walk hand, move a skeleton, otherwise, yeah, that's just like the mummy. Okay, half turn. So I don't have half turn right now. So that's a problem. That's okay, we will fix it later. We'll try to compile like that. The weight, we have to change the weight also a little bit for the scorpion, but we'll do it here. Is skeleton, else is scorpion. We'll do something different. The fall, they should not fall, but I think it also work. The death should works also. Get width, get height. Yep, and the draw that we just changed. Okay, I think it probably works. So let's fix that. It's false, and this one is false. And let's do a scorpion. So the scorpion has the special flag. Okay, the skeleton is true here. And don't need to mirror it for now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This. Let's include it in the manager. I'll remove those for now. Eight. So same place as the, okay. Okay, let's try to compile. Scorpion is a function. I forgot the bracket. Okay. Okay. In get y under fit. Oh yeah. Okay, let's try. Ah, he's not walking. It's just I don't know, doing a couple of arch turn probably. Okay, that's strange. After fall, da, 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 da. So here in check collision, we go to walk and walk. So skeleton, not scorpion. Okay. Yeah. Is there a gap? So this function may, that's why it does half turn. This function may be the cause of the problem. Is a walk original gap, mirror, get width, okay. I should do it at Y. Yeah, I know. Because the scorpion is only 8 pixels high, not 2 sprites. So we should only check one, not this one. This one is plus this, so okay. So sorry. So a collision here or a collision there, or not scorpion, and collision below. It's actually scorpion or not scorpion, and scorpion or if there is a gap, if I'm scorpion, there's one. No, okay, not scorpion. Yeah, not scorpion and test something like that, or should check that. Okay, that should work. Nope. Why not? Static collision X. Let's comment it just for testing, because I'm not sure about that test. But yeah, this test also is too low. Okay. Okay, so if it's a scorpion, I should test this at the correct height. I can have a variable to shift here. Okay. Shift. Gap height shift. Okay, so if I'm scorpion, then I should shift 0, and otherwise I shift 1. Okay, let's try that. Yep, we have it. That's pretty fast. I wanted a very fast scorpion, but yeah, that's pretty fast. But that's normal, because now I want to add the weight. So basically it move at one direction, then wait for I don't know, 1 or 2 seconds, couple of time, and then zip to the other side. Yeah, so that's a dangerous. I mean, the player has to be very reactive with the scorpion. He can easily jump over it because they are not very high. But yeah, he cannot. I hope he cannot kill it. That's not sure what is the height of the. Yeah, if it can, then have to lower the tail of the scorpion, because the goal is that it cannot kill them. All right, so let's put back this test also, just to make sure. And if it works, we can commit like that. Okay, yeah, it works. Yeah, so let's commit like that. right, so we have a new flag for skeleton. Basically a new function, scorpion. We adjust the width, height, etc. This function, check the collision, and this one is skeleton. The animation speed, yeah, it's skeleton, and the drawing. All right. Here, new flag, the animation speed, a new flag here, and the inline function. All right. And here we just added a new, a new enemy. All right, so implement the logic of the scorpion walk mainly, or I would say without weight. All right, so now we have to, I'm not sure if we need half turn. So basically the half turn, it's just one frame. So basically it will use the frame of the, right now it used the frame of this one. Yeah, the frame of the weight, the first frame of the weight. Oh no. Yeah, it used that frame. But then when I will play the weight, it will draw the memory. So maybe we don't need, so maybe we should move the half turn after. Yeah, because it is so fast that I think it's yeah. Anyway, the half turn would be very fast, so I think we should just skip it. All right, so let's reorganize that. I mean, let's go 66. Well, so that's the, okay, that's the fall, that's the jump, and the, yep, half turn is here. Move it here. Yeah, and then move this back to here, back to 60. All right, so we have walk, wait, fall, half turn. Okay, can just save this. I have to do the same for the mummy. Where's the mummy? Here. Ah, but the mummy, I guess the mummy doesn't have the, that's why I have that frame here. Yeah, so I cannot do this. That's fine, then we just add a new frame for the scorpion. So let's revert what we have done. All right. Scorpion just had one frame. Canvas size, so 80, no, 72 plus 9. 81. is weight. All right. Okay, half turn. Let's copy the first one. And we should, so 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. This one, I think, up. Can do this, and maybe this. Here, here, and here. And here, I think. Yeah. Like this, maybe. Oh, I forgot to remove that pixel too. Yeah. Let's close the clone. All right, like this is fine. Save it. I will re-export it. So it's a 9.8. Copy this into the sprite data. All right. Yep. Let's play it again. And this time we may see the half turn. Okay. Okay, so now let's implement the wait. So basically my idea for the wait would be playing a wait animation maybe a couple of times. But if I played a couple of times, then that means I need a variable to store how many times I play it. So maybe I can just play it one time. So I play the wait, and then after I finish to play the wait, I move again, and then I can play the wait in slowly. So that will make probably 1 second or something like that. The wait animation is where the scorpion is playing with his tail and trying to move it in front. This animation should be played in a ping pong mode, I think. So let's modify the wait that have and then we have to move to the wait state also. All right, so maybe switch to wait from walk. Okay, so walk, update walk, update walk. So we have the walk anim speed, then we change our frame ID, we move according to the orientation. If we are skeleton, we do that. If otherwise, if we have collision, we do a half turn, right? But actually not. If we have gap or collision, then we should wait, right? So something like that. I will add some curve bracket. So if is scorpion, then init weight, else init after. All right, so that seems okay to me. And then inside the weight, we have a new behavior in the update weight. Where is the update weight? Update for, update weight here. Okay, so if we ask Skeleton to do that, so that's just the update of the animation. So here we will have a constant animation speed for the weight. So I can just copy this kind of code here. So if it's scorpion, I will use the scorpion weight anim speed. Otherwise, I use this one. That should be the weight anim speed. Right. Get the weight anim speed. So I will declare this variable enemy. Walk anim speed, scorpion walk anim speed. Where is my weight anim speed? Yes, here. Okay. So let's do 15. That's the maximum I can have because we only use 4-bit for storing this variable. Weight anim speed. All right, so then we change our animation. Then if it's skeleton, we update this. Else, obviously, we are a scorpion, so we should ping pong it. So, but we just do it one time, right? So change the anime ID anyway, but makes free frame with the mirror. Okay, so yeah, if it's end then it starts. Okay, so this is where I should check if its skeleton is different. So if I reach the end, if is scorpion, actually I don't have a animation direction, right? Yeah, if I want to play it in ping pong, I need to an animation direction, which I don't have. That's really annoying. Huh. I wanted to save some data. Well, for testing, let's just okay. We can not the mirror. We can use the no. I was saying we can use the skeleton flag, but sometimes we check skeleton first. Um, yeah, just do half turn. So if we reach the end and we are scorpion, then we go back to we do a half turn and then we walk again. For now, just do it like that. We'll test like that. But it would be nice to have it this animation in ping pong actually. Uh, the animation, yeah. Oh, the animation is quite bad actually. It's not meant to be played so slowly actually. But yeah, it does what I wanted to do. But I guess the animation is bad. That's the first point, and then it doesn't play in ping pong, and it play too slowly. Let's play it faster just to see. Let's do half 8, for example. That's better, but this animation is meant to be played in ping pong, so and several time. All right. So how can we do that without wasting too much memory or variable? Because here we use pretty much everything. Well, yeah, we can have another state because we still have room to store another state. But that maybe will be even bigger in terms of code than just having another variable. I'm not sure. How many states we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, we need at least 3-bit. Okay. And and the item, I think we use all the flag. This one I use by the map value step update step, so mirror is used by the draw. Alive is used, maybe used by everyone. I don't want to make that property flag on 2 bytes, so I would like to keep it on in a char. Yeah. The weight animation is not great, so. And how about the gameplay, by the way? Yeah, let's put back 15 and check the gameplay. Um, hmm. Hey, I succeeded to kill the scorpion, which is good. It's yeah, I think the timing is not bad. It's a bit hard. It's a bit stressful. That's what I want, but not totally impossible. So, uh, what happened? What happened? Maybe I no didn't fire bullet. Oh, can I? Yeah, can I fire? That's something I want. Can I kill with the? Um, yes, I can kill it with a bullet. All right, the bullet is okay. I need to do the scorpion smaller so that the bullet goes above it. Hmm. Originally, it was only 4 pixel high, but I thought it was too small, especially for an enemy. So then I make it bigger. But yeah, obviously, it defeats the purpose of having an enemy that cannot be killed with the bullet. So, but okay, let's try again. I'm dead. Oh no! I wanted to place my dynamite. Yeah, you have to time it. I mean, yes, yes. Kind of works. So maybe if I just change the weight animation. And why I die, by the way? Is there a bug or something? Yeah, because it touched me actually. Yeah, I think this makes sense. This is okay. I just probably just need to change the animation. That's it. And maybe make the scorpion jumping a bit like the skeleton. Skeleton is jumping. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, the idea was like the scorpion like moves super fast like this, and then just wait and just maybe look around, just observe, and then move to another place. So that was this kind of behavior that I was expecting. Um, yeah, I can. I can double that time by a little trick. um, oh yes, I know how to play the animation 2 times actually, even 3. Let's try it. So, but that's a bit tricky. Um, all right. I can call it wait again. Okay. Why? Because the state is on 3 bits, which means 8. I can have 8 values, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can even have again and again 2, again 3 if I want. And then here I can just do this, wait and wait again. It's just an update wait, right? And here in the update wait, so if it's Scorpion, I can check if my state, if anim state equal wait, then I set it to wait again, which means I will call, it will do a wait state again. Otherwise, I do the half turn. But of course, I also need to reset the frame ID. Do this. So actually, I will always reset the frame ID. And just for the Scorpion, just do this. All right, so let's try that. One and 2. It works. That's great. And now you can see it. You can more or less see what the Scorpion is trying to do actually. Okay, I can speed up a little bit now the animation. Let's go back to 8, half. So that is tricky, you know. That is not normal to use to make a wait and wait again. And I could even do a wait again or again 2. That is really this is really because I'm on Arduboy and I try to save every byte I can. Yeah, the animation is not that great, but that's okay. I think it's maybe even too fast. So maybe in between 12. Yeah. Let's try with 12. Hello, just come by to give a quick look. Thank you, Hugo Quadrado. I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry. Yeah, welcome. What time is it? Almost. No, I don't say I will finish now, but I stream from 1 hour. Yeah, usually I stream around 1 hour, sometimes 1 hour and 30, 40 minutes. So I'm just tuning, just integrating the Scorpion AI and just tuning it now. So yeah, maybe I think it's so 12 is not too bad. The speed is okay. Maybe. So I try to kill it. Okay. Yeah, that's correct. You pronounced correctly. Thank you, Quadrado. All right. Okay, let's be even more crazy. So I don't know if you've seen what I've done just before, like doing that crazy stuff. And then so if it's weight again, I will do weight again too. And then over there, so I'll check the size of the memory also. Oh, sorry, it didn't show, didn't see what I was done. Just this crazy stuff. Just to save 1 byte in the class. And in the update, just do that. So the byte is 22,968. Let's compile again. 22,982. All right. Well, actually, I don't really like it to play it 3 times. Of course, I should speed up the animation if I play it 3 times. So, so is this the first time you watched the stream, Hugo? Oh, sorry. Or did you watch the replay, I guess? Maybe. No, you didn't see the replay? Okay. Are you programming on the Arduboy also? Alright, so what's about that? Yeah, no, I don't. I prefer just play 2 times and slowly. Ah, okay, you change your name. Why do you have 2 different pseudo then? Yeah, my only fan. Yeah, 2 other icons. Okay. So yeah, but then you remember what we did yesterday. I guess if you just join, you can see the replay, but I will show you again. I have fixed the behavior of the skeleton yesterday, and now today I'm integrating the scorpion. All right, just revert that. I will revert commit. Revert the 3 times. It's too crazy. Just wait again. That's enough. 12 is enough. And then this, and then this. All right, that's okay. And I can show you the. Yeah, I will show you now actually. No, let's commit first. All right. Compile again, just to make sure it works. Oops, sorry. All right, yeah, and then let's commit this. So let's review the change. We have yeah, so we use another state just to play 2 times the animation. Here in the walk, if we have collision or gap, if we are a scorpion, we go to wait, otherwise we do a half turn for the mummy. And then here in the wait, we have different wait anim speed. And if we reach the end of the animation, if we are a scorpion, we wait again, or we do our half turn. Yep, that's pretty straightforward, I think. Here we just have the speed, the new state, and we change the scorpion. PNG, what did we change? Yes, we added the half turn. And here we have the half turn. Okay, so yeah, add the wait state for the scorpion. All right, commit. All right, yes. Yeah, so I can show you the skeleton. So let's just enable them or remove the scorpion. I guess just this one. So yeah, you will see the replay. It was yesterday. I was almost there. I almost finished it, but I was kind of too tired to clearly finish it. So if I go there now, it doesn't stay stuck in the wait, and if it's blocked, it can stay in the wait state. Let me try to overtake it. Oh, it killed me. Touched me before. It's not easy. It's not easy. I tune a bit also. Maybe I should not. The detection range. Oh, maybe I will succeed. Almost. Come on. I got you. All right, yeah. So, like I said in the beginning of the stream, we will see when I will start making some puzzle. If we need to tune the speed or adjust the detection range. Yeah, I think it works. It works okay. And I think the scorpion is done also. It's done. Yeah, maybe we can add the 3 of them. Yes, I made a mistake on the scorpion, of course, is that it can be killed by the bullet, which I didn't want to. I made it too high. So that's a problem. Should change that. Nope, I don't want that, I want that. So if we place all of them. Because yeah, the goal of the scorpion is that it's fast, very fast, 3 times faster than you. Obviously you cannot use bullet to kill it, and you can just jump over it, but since it's slow, you normally can jump over it. Yeah, the bullet, actually we can try to fix that now. Oh, what's that? Disappear. There's a bug. Oh, there's a bug. I think I may be a problem in the memory. Oh, nasty. Yeah, probably in the trajectory stuff. Okay, not for later. So yeah, let's check the actually. I will open rig. Just want to know at which height is firing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the scorpion can only be 4. The height of the scorpion. All right. Well, I guess I have to redraw everything. Hey, ay, 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 ay. Okay, I will fix it outside of the stream, I think. Yeah. So, what do we have? The remaining stuff. I think I will stop the stream here. Sorry for you, Hugo. Well, that means I don't want to start a new features. Um, we have a new scorpion type of enemy. We can delete this. However, I will add in the bug list scorpion is too high and can be killed by a bullet. And the second problem is a bug with death trajectory. Yeah, you can review it from the beginning. But before you leave, if you have any question, so I can answer. We can chat. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, if you have any question or if you want, we can chat on general stuff or on the game or as you wish. Yeah, and not today. Okay, great. No problem. No, no problem. No, that's fine. And yeah, then that means if we just finish the Scorpion today, which is great, very happy. That means next stream we will probably do the destroyable block and maybe stalagmite. No, we'll do the block first. That's more important. Yeah, but I don't want to start it now, so that's it. All right, I'm building an Arduboy waiting for spare from China. Oh, okay, yeah, you're building it yourself. Okay, right. That's cool. I will be more than happy to test the game and give you more some feedback. Yeah, sure. Once you have built your Arduboy, but there is plenty games out there that are very nice to play. So I'm very amazed actually how many games we have on that platform. I mean, so many people are excited about it. But I can understand. I mean, as a programmer, it's like for me, it's really relaxing to program on that platform because it's such small. So you don't have to deal with complexity. You just do simple stuff, and the platform force you to do really simple stuff. So, but I still trying, and that's what I find fun. I'm still trying to do a good gameplay, a good feeling, but with just tiny pixels. That's great. And also, I'm not an artist, but I think it's just just painting some pixels, so nobody can blame me. It's only black and white, so I have an excuse if it doesn't look nice. Um, it's a challenge to not overflow the hardware. Yes, it is. It is. Actually, the first game I've done is the Lemmings. I ported Lemmings. Or I re-implemented Lemmings on the Arduboy. I call it Ardulem. You can check that game also if you want. And thank you for the art. Yeah, and honestly, I went to crazy optimization, much more than on this game actually. Oh, you saw it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You can try it also on your I have a nice editor, and we will reuse or we will implement also editor when I will do the level design. So you will see some higher programming. I will program usually. My favorite language is C Sharp, so I will probably do the editor in C Sharp, just like for Ardulem. Ardulem also the editor is also done in C Sharp, and I think I packaged like four or five level in Ardulem, but that's not enough, honestly. But I get a bit tired of doing some level. I hope the community could do some, but nobody tried to do a level. And even if the editor is pretty easy to use. But someday I may add more level to Ardulem, because I think the game deserves to have more level than just 4. But yeah, the crazy stuff I did on that game, like manipulating bits everywhere, that's wow. I've never done that in my career before. It was quite fun, actually. Yeah, and this one is less crazy for sure. Well, we'll see. We will have to probably optimize also the level, the map level. Right now we have a huge map data here. That's a huge waste of memory for sure. But I will pack it later. I will compress it. Yeah. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for passing by, Hugo. And yeah, I will see you during my next stream, which I don't know when it will be. Maybe tomorrow. I'm quite motivated these days. It's also amazing how it is possible to have such game with a low memory available. Yes, and by the way, talking about that, for Lemmings, actually, the level is in the level are in progmem, but progmem are not modifiable. It's ROM, it's not RAM. So the level are in the progmem, but the lemmings are digging. They are digging tunnels, and the lemmings can also build stairs, right? So obviously I have to store all this modification in memory, in RAM. But I don't have enough space to store the whole map, all the pixels in RAM, because the frame buffer already take half of the RAM, and I cannot. And if you see Lemmings, it's actually you can scroll the screen, so a level of Lemmings is bigger than just one screen. But I cannot store all the pixels, so I end up storing every modification that the lemmings are doing. And when I draw the level, I first draw from the map as it is in the progmem, and then I apply all the modification that is in memory. And that's crazy, because even when the lemmings wants to know if there is a pixel under the feet or collision or not, I have to go through all that process of getting partially the information from progmem and partially from the RAM, applying the modification, and have the answer. That's a bit crazy. Obviously, with a bigger platform, you will store the whole image for sure. We will not do crazy stuff like that. So that was fun, and I'm quite surprised. And which means also this modification buffer is limited. Which means if your lemmings are doing crazy stuff, you may overflow the buffer in RAM, and yeah, that can happen. That's a bug, but that's a bug that so if you do that, some pixel may reappear randomly, and that bug is limited by the hardware. So it's a hardware bug if you want. And it was quite funny, quite interesting. And basically that's the reason why I wanted to stream my second game, because the first game I'm being talkative, but I have someone watching, so that's why I guess I'm talkative. Because I find that was so fun and interesting to do all these tricks, that I thought, oh, maybe I should have streamed that just to explain people how crazy it is. So yeah, that's why I say, okay, let's stream the second game from A to Z, from the very beginning to the end. Anyway, okay, this time I say bye. So thank you for passing by. Have a nice replay. I guess the replay will be available on YouTube in a couple of minutes. Thank you, thank you. Yes, that's the point. I hope everybody can learn from the video. Yeah. Okay, so bye bye. See you later. Bye. Thank you. Bye.